So now is we will settle this one. Actually, this is a block. We need to unblock this one by using explode. We will be putting each of the support a radius 0.02. Okay, good. Another is, this one is another 0.02. Actually, you can always have your own style. You can have this radius before you had undergone the RE, and it will still be the same. The final output still be the same. Okay. This one is 0.02. This is already our 3D output for the support and the ring stone. I will go to the wireframe to check the output. If you will see in this area, the stone has moved going from the center to the left side. And in this area, there is really something lacking. So this is the effect of the mesh command. So the mesh command actually shrink the stone. But there are plenty of manufacturers, they have this chemical adhesive to stick the stone into place. But the most important is the main support of the diamond stone will always still be in place. So now we will move to the layer. Okay, we will be opening the ring. Close the layer. As we can see here, this portion still lacks some support. Eventually, the wearer of this ring finds it very, very weak. So, as a designer, we will be putting here a base. I will go to layer again and close the support, the base. So we haven't put the entire support and the gemstone to the layer. Control 1. Control 1 and select the diamond and the support. Okay, place it to support layer and turn it off. So here we will be measuring the thickness of our ring. Distance is from here going here, it's 0.7. I will be making a circle. Okay. A circle is estimated to be 0.5, 0.5. And a big circle. Okay. 0.8. I will turn on the support. Okay. So actually our big circle is bigger than our stone. So we will be adjusting this one. Instead of using the 0.8, we will be using the 0.5. Not 5, it's 0.6. 0.6. Okay. For the 3DO. So our circle now is not merely in place. We will just be moving this one up. This one select. I know you will also encounter this kind of problem, but you will just simply be moving it. Okay, so I've created a small circle at the base. Then there is a second circle with a higher circumference as a second part for our base. So for the first circle, I copied this one downward. Then the height is 0.4. Then for the bigger circle, I will be moving this one up. I will simply go to the front view. Then move this one. Okay, move, going up. Be sure your F8 is totally guided. Just simply type 0.2. 0.2 for the height. Check the output if the circle is really in place. Okay, so I think the circle is already in place. It's time for us to use the Loft command. So the Loft command is, we'll be selecting this first line, this second line, and the third line. Double enter. Okay, I already turned on the ring. The guideline. It's time for me to delete. So now we will be putting radius to our output. So this part here, I will be putting 0.1 radius. For our ring body, this part here is, I will also be putting 0.1 radius, 0.1. Same also with this part here, 0.1, and the inside, 0.1. This portion here is, we will also be putting radius. It's 0.1. So the ring now is nearly done.